We are on the delivery trail, of course, and wishing her a Merry Christmas. Happy. Look at her, the two teeth. You get two teeth for Christmas. Look at her. You see that smile? That smile win anybody. Now we're sing a song, and I want you to finish it. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a... She said she don't know that song. You don't know Jingle Bell? Which Christmas song do you know?
Long time I celebrate Christmas.
Long time you celebrate Christmas. Why? Christmas is such a nice time. So we have planned for the baby this Christmas. Nothing? Not even one dolly? One little lock, one playpen?
Something like that.
Makes you eat little Christmas cake, right, mommy? Right, mommy? Right, mommy? Yes, look at mommy for approval. Anyway, so we want to wish you all the best. Now, sign up a shipping account with us, get a free shipping coupon, and want you to invite your friends and family to be on board as well. All right? Looking forward to seeing you. I wish you all the best for Christmas. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. Me too. You have anybody you want to shout out to? A foreign? Any foreign big up?
Shout out to everybody. Everybody.
Okay, so she have a lot of love. She giving shout out to everybody. Look on the little one there behind her. Watch her. Give pure trouble. Yes. Yes, man. Catch them. Anyway, all the best. All right? Take care. So there you have it. She have a lot of love and she giving it all away for Christmas. She said shout out to everybody. Even though she can't sing Merry... You can sing Merry Christmas? Come, sing Merry Christmas to me. Take for herself. Like she not shy. But there you have it. Have a good one.